Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2024 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 12 is the acceleration of a body traveling in a straight line is given by A is equal to minus C1 minus C2 V square, where V is the velocity and C1 C2 are positive constants. Starting with an initial positive velocity V naught, the distance travelled by the body before coming to rest for the first time is option A 1 by 2 C2 ln bracket 1 plus C2 by C1 V naught square bracket close. Option B 1 by 2 C2 ln 1 minus C2 by C1 V naught square bracket close. Option C 1 by 2 C2 ln bracket C1 plus C2 V naught square bracket close. Option D 1 by 2 C2 ln 1 plus C2 V naught square bracket close. So here given that the acceleration is A is equal to minus C1 minus C2 V square, and we know that acceleration is dv by dt, and this dv by dt can also be written as dv by ds into ds by dt by partial differential, by chain rule. So or we can say multiplying and dividing by ds. So ds by dt is your v, and this is your dv by ds. So this is so acceleration can be written as v dv by ds, v dv by ds minus c1 minus c2 v square. Okay, or we can write it as v dv divided by c1 plus c2 v square is equal to minus ds. Suppose this quantity is u. Okay, so now if we differentiate it, then it will be 2v c2 dv will be equal to dv. So v dv will be equal to du by 2c2. Okay, so this one can be written as, putting this as u and v dv as du by 2c2. So integrating it, it will be 1 by 2c2 ln u will be equal to minus s, and the value of u is this 1 by 2 c2 ln bracket c1 plus c2 v square bracket close is equal to minus s. Okay, so now this is the integration part. So now it is given that the initial velocity is v naught, and finally final velocity is 0 because it has come, the body has come to rest. Okay, so it means putting the limits 0 to v naught, final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is v naught, and distance traveled is s. Okay, so here it will be minus s, limits are minus s to 0 or minus s, sorry, s to 0 or minus s, and here limits are 0 to v naught. So it will be ln c1 plus c2 naught minus ln c1 plus c2 v naught square. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2 c2 ln c1, solving this, it will be if minus sign is there, and if we take it as plus and take it as minus, so this minus will cancel out, so it will be c1 by c1, because here only c1 is there, this term is 0, plus c2 by c1 v naught square. Okay, or we can say it is 1 plus c2 by c1 and 1 by c2 here, so s will be this. So answer is option A.